Pond Salade or Vyasi. And that was pretty much my routine back then.
Okay, thank you.
Anything else?
Yes, yes. Okay.
Basically, what are the challenges you faced while your preparations?
So I think the biggest challenge was maths for me because I'm a zoology student. So it was not my forte, to be honest, and I had to practice a lot. And still, I was not. I knew all the questions, but yeah, whatever you know, practice it more and more, and be clear. Like whatever you know, you should be grounded. Okay, I know I can handle all of the questions that come from this section. That is more important than knowing every part of it. So that was the biggest challenge. Like once was big challenge for me. Other than that, if you are grown up in Patna, a city like this, communication becomes a challenge for you, especially if you are going to a place like I am. You have to be very confident and clear while speaking. So you have to practice. It could not be a challenge for you guys, but definitely you need to practice in that. So that was two things for me.
You can ask more questions.
Yes, yes. So you guys are attending 2026 CAT or like you are in GDP or what?
No, sir. We are going to give the CAT this year.
CAT this is 26.
So when you talk about work experience, the importance of
Work experiences. I think when I got to IIM, I was like, I just thought, okay, I'll go in the interview, I'll get a job, it will be easy peasy lemon squeezy. It is not like that. Unless you have a work experience of at least 2 years, I think it's not going to be completely worth it of doing anything. To be very honest, in all of my, I mean, in all the colleges, all across all IIMs, this is I would say, this is a condition now that the freshers are not getting placed as soon as the people with work experience are getting placed. So this is one important fact. If you can get WorkX, you should get WorkX. Even if it is for 6 months, 1 year, doesn't matter, but you should get WorkX. I mean, that is one of the mistakes that I have made, and I do not want anyone to repeat that. It is very important because not only you will know the culture, you will also know how things go. I mean, like the interpersonal communication, the way you react to things, everything changes if you have WorkX. I have seen myself, I have seen my classmates who have WorkX. The things are way easier for them. It's not just about the studies or knowing about things. It's about the way of doing things. The interactions they have with professors, they are on different levels. The interaction they have with recruiters, and the confidence the recruiters have in them. Like these all are very different for us and for them.
So I'm having a negative question that when you were preparing for CAT, or what I feel that when we used to prepare for CAT, we are not fully prepared that whether we'll get a good college or not, or whether we will able to reach IIMs or not. So what you would like to say that if, because personally I am one who used to put hard work, but I'm not ready for the failure from it. So what's your opinion on it?
I think acceptance is something, you have to accept it. Okay, rejection is one part of the process, and you have to, make your skin thick, because rejection is not something you can completely like, okay, rejection is not going to come into my way. You cannot think like that. Even for me, I was rejected from many colleges. Udaipur rejected me straightforwardly. It's like, you are rejected from the process.
No, you only got, only got rejected by Lucknow.
I'm Lucknow, Udaipur.
No, but Shillong is much better than
Udaipur. Exactly, that is my point. I mean, like, I still cannot think. I mean, like, why was I rejected by IIM Udaipur? I don't know yet. I was accepted by all of the colleges, and again, I was rejected by XLRI. XLRI, I could not make it to the interview.
Yeah, you had an interview call from XLRI, right?
No, so I could not make it to the interview.
Okay. Yeah.
And Lucknow was like one good college I missed. I don't know. I think that was a big rejection for me because I was really hoping that I would get into IIM Lucknow, but I could not make it there. So it is the part of it. You cannot completely deny, okay, I'm not going to get rejected at all. You have to accept it, and I think this acceptance builds the courage. Okay, if I'm getting rejected, there would be other colleges who's going to accept me. So yeah, try to accept the rejections. And not just accept it, try to make something out of it. I'm like, why I'm getting rejected? Try and ask the question. Okay, why I'm getting rejected? There must be something that I'm lacking, and I need to work on that. So that is the way forward. Anyone else? He has a lot of questions. What's the name, by the way?
Lucky.
Lucky. Okay. And this is Khushi, right? Okay. And what about you guys? What's the name?
नेम भी हम बताएं.
engineering. What about you?
I do not have any question.
Oh, Rahul. You guys have no questions? Not yet.
What was your score? And
Sorry?
what was your score?
Score?
Percentile.
It was 91 percentile for me. It was very. I got it. I was kind of lucky.
So are you from general or
General, but I had like a female candidate plus I have zoology, so you get like at least a 5 marks in the composite score for that. But you have to prepare very well for GDPI if you are getting calls at 91 percentile. It was 91.6 something, so you have to be very. Like it was a deadly combination for me. I was getting calls. I know I was getting calls, but converting them was very difficult for me. So. But for male candidates, I'm not sure if you guys getting called at 91. I'm so sorry about that.
So that.
Yes, so from my side it is.